this quick tutorial, I will show you how to clear search history on Play Store, a step-by-step guide. So let's go. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this guide useful and you're very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about Google Play Store. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to clear your search history on your Play Store, a step-by-step guide. So the very first thing you need to do is to make sure you head over to your Play Store right here. I'm going to click on my Play Store. Get into your Play Store. Next thing you want to do is to click on your profile picture right here. And the next thing you need to do is to click on settings. Then click on account and device preferences. Then you have to scroll down. Click on clear device search history. Then click on clear history. So it's as simple as that. So this is how to clear your search history on Google Play Store. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about Google Play Store topic. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.